see this screen. अरे दिख रहा है public?
Yes sir, दिख रहा है.
Yeah, so this is the dashboard. Very soon we will be deploying it in our website also. So let's examine, like you can see couple of things on the screen, like hi Anna, you can see this, right?
Yes sir.
So what it denotes, like particularly we'll take here next 10 minutes for food technology, and or they are today only we will be releasing 2 dashboards, okay, that will be unveiling tomorrow, today. Rest all we will be releasing one by one, that further videos will be coming on YouTube, okay. So today food technology and gate microbiology, these 2 subjects we are unveiling the dashboards for that, okay. So let's I'll tell you what these things are, okay. So 43.9% of the questions or marks, okay, came in last 5 years came from food engineering itself only. 29.5% followed by food engineering came from food chemistry, then food products technology, then food microbiology. So you can see the weightage of food engineering in last 14 years, 14 or 15 years. It's huge, right, guys?
Yes sir, it is.
So like if you want to get 35 out of 35, or at least let's say 27 out of 35, you need to get a good command on your food engineering, because food engineering is like nearly 50% of your entire food technology, okay. And that's why we are pioneering that. If you have fear of food engineering, do join AceScape, okay. Last couple of years, those who came with us in food to AceScape, they never face problem in food engineering. They are really good in food engineering. So that is our command. And again, coming next to food chemistry, very important topics. Then food products technology and food microbiology. So most of the students get fear of food microbiology. कि सर इतना microbes कैसे याद रखेंगे? भाई ज़्यादा याद करने की जरूरत नहीं. It's hardly carries, like let's say, let's come to the 2023 paper only. Let's stop juggling on all the years. Let's come to last year's paper only. So you can see the last year papers analysis here. Guys, दिख रहा है?
हाँ जी sir.
See, out of 35, hardly 3 to 4 marks came from food microbiology. That is 11.4%. 42.9% came from food engineering. 28.6% came from food chemistry, and 17.1% food came from food products technology. So isn't very good? Can you see the differences? How important is food engineering for you guys? So like what people used to do, they used to focus on food chemistry, products technology, microbiology, and they skip. So this is both for XC and Excel, guys. Excel may also you have to learn food engineering. It is very important for you, and it will be. So let's now deep down in, like, in last year, which topic is dominated? So fats and lipids and oil processing has dominated in food chemistry. Heat transfer, size reduction, thermal processing, food packaging, mass energy balance, and momentum transfer dominated the food engineering. Okay, in products technology, extrusion, packaging, and products processing principle has importance, and fermentation morphology. Every year this plays major role. So this is for last year's analysis. Let's see for last 3 years when the pattern has changed. So pattern has changed in 2021, correct? So you can see still food engineering is still above 40%. Okay, so that's why you have to focus on that. So now from here the A, okay, the categories of ACTL come. So A stands for always that topic will be there in the paper. See the chance of the paper, the topic will be there in the exam. T, try if you have time. So this topic will come, but very rare chance, like it will carry hardly 1 or 2 marks. Okay. Then L, that is leave. It will not come in the exam itself. Okay. So these are the topics which categories which were divided, that you will be getting after this session only, the screenshots and everything you want. Okay. So let's analyze particularly on things like easy and difficulty level. Okay, so like let's say easy. So out of this many, let's say 2023 paper itself, you can see here 6 plus 2 plus 1, total 9 marks came from the easy domain only. Okay, so 9 marks from easy. Let's come here and let's go with the medium now. Then again 7, 7, that is 14, 18, and 20. So out of 35, 29 marks came from easy to medium zone only. Okay, so why you want to go for learning very hard things when out of 35, 29 you can secure with easy and medium problems only? Are hi na?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Correct. Let's go with one more analysis. Let's see food engineering. So you can see food engineering. Okay, leave this demographics. Let's come here. Okay, see this. See, your easy was hard was 40%, 27 and 33, 60% was easy to medium paper in food engineering. So most of the hard questions will come from the food engineering domain only. Okay, but for that you have to prepare. Let's see for food chemistry. See, your easy and medium carries 80% of the paper. Okay, 80% paper is from the easy to medium zone only. Same goes for microbiology. It is completely easy or medium. There is no difficulty zone there. Okay, completely easy or medium. So hard question आता ही नहीं है वहां से. And what about food products technology? Again, there is no hard, only easy to medium question. So you can secure very high marks if you target easy and medium topics only. And again, now one more analysis there. Sir, match the columns ज़्यादा easy आते हैं, tough आते हैं. Let's see. You can see medium to easy only are match the column. Tough match the column होता ही नहीं है. So you have to target such a way and MSQ. So MSQ are like hard and medium. Okay. So MSQ will be always hard for you. NAT again hard, medium, easy. All topics are there. Again, 62% of the NAT are hard. Okay. MCQ, where MCQ most of them are easy. You can see 90% is from easy. Are hi na?
Yes, sir.
So you are getting what are the things coming in front of you. So like lots of lots of benefits you can get from the ACTL dashboard. How you can get it? If you are member of Food AceScape 2024 Sikhar batch, you can get it directly accessible to everyone. Okay. And our mentors will be now using it to help you during the course delivery and all the times. Okay. Okay. Chalo. And for non-AceScape students also, you will be getting through our every month strategies. Like this month, 5 months we are coming, next month there will be 4 months and on so on. Okay. I hope it's clear. Any doubt, you can ask questions on ACTL dashboard now because we will not show in the later 10 minutes. Okay. Any questions for the dashboard now? If you want to see any year's analysis.
Excuse me, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, do we have dashboards just for food technology portion or for like other subjects also?
Other subjects are under construction. For that, I mean, food technology and microbiology Excel has been developed. Biochemistry and all will be coming. Everything will be coming in next 1 week. All the dashboard, important dashboard for major subjects. Okay, like
yes.
Food technology, food engineering, thermodynamics, fluid. Then this side, what to say? Biochemistry, microbiology, and chemistry. So let's see the analysis for ISC Bangalore, because this year ISC Bangalore is making paper. Yes or no?
Yes,
so
sir.
How many started filling the applications? I hope everyone started. Okay, so let's come to the game. Okay, you can see 2016 May, not a single question came from food microbiology, and 50% of the question came from where? Food engineering. Are hi na?
Sir, लेकिन वो मतलब can they do like this? Can they completely eliminate a subject?
Depends where. It's all about specialty. There is nothing like syllabus. Like ऐसा नहीं है ना कि there was no mandatory written in that. Is it written in the syllabus like 7 marks will come from food engineering, 7 from food technology? Is it written? Nowhere it's written, right? They just gave 35 marks के syllabus है बस. अब वो प्रोफेसर या उनका मर्जी है कि वो कहाँ से पेपर उठा के फेंके. ठीक है? See, they didn't reuse directly food microbiology from here, but they used somewhere connecting through it. That's why I'm saying directly question नहीं है, miscellaneous topic में question आया हुआ है वहाँ पे. You can see यहाँ पर दिख रहा है क्या? Miscellaneous.
Yes, sir, दिख रहा है.
That includes microbiology there, but miscellaneous we are that they are combining with food chemistry or food products technology. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again, the most important topics of food, momentum transfer, everything they used to give every year. ठीक है, ये कुछ standard topics है, हर साल पूछे जाते हैं ना. like when it comes, it will be boom. Okay, see यहाँ पर तुम लोग देखो 15 marks. We remove the filter for. Yeah, can you see this? So 15 marks came from MCQ, 6 NAT were there, 3 manual columns are there. So MCQ, that if you see easy questions of MCQ, so most of the MCQ or NAT are easy, okay, 7 to 2 marks. That is 9 marks are easy, okay. So every year 9 to 10 marks will be from the easy domain, 20 around nearly 17 to 18 marks. So 9 to 10 will be from the easy domain, then 17 to 18 marks from the medium domain, and remaining 6 to 7 marks from the hard. Okay, this is the paper. So you leave about the 6 to 7, you try to prepare for this thing. Those ACTL category are there, which will have some hard topics also. That will be coming up in the next month's strategy planning when will be coming up. Is it clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Is it good? So what do you think? Is it helpful?
Yes,
It
sir.
will be helpful for you or not? So hello, am I audible? So now let's go to the microbiology. Okay. Subit, are you there? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. So 2016, the GATE Excel format and syllabus has been changed. Okay. So we have taken the data from the 2016 onwards. Okay. So we can see like 48% of the paper was easy. What nearly again 40%. So around 88% of the paper is from easy to medium domain. So it's easy for the Excel guys to secure more marks because the number of hard questions is very, very less. In food technology also, we can see hardly 10 to 12% question were on the hard domain. Okay. So these are the couple of topics from where the major marks are coming up. This domain, you can take the screenshot. I'll just remove everything. You can take a screenshot and can go forward. Okay. Take care.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. So that's all about the particular ACTL dashboard. Okay. Now let's